Hi, my name is Paul, Privateer, and I'm the founder of NoSchoolViolence.org, and I just wanted to give you a very brief overview of how the lantern works. So what we'll go ahead and do is assume that a parent or a teacher or a school site psychologist, principal, a grandmother is concerned about a child, and they want to start recording some observations and seeing what the connection is between the observations they're making and any potential for violence, and then to be able to use some intervention program that we provide them. So let's start with, here comes the query, and it says, "Hi, I'm the lantern. Would you like to build a query?" And the parent or whoever says yes, and they say, "Okay, tell us something about your child's behaviors." If you look here at the lower right-hand side, it says that Jimmy is developing low self-esteem. So you say, okay, what violence potentials are there with just low self-esteem? And so the lantern goes out and it searches millions and millions of data sets, content, articles, police reports, whatever, and it comes back and says low self-esteem statistically has a higher incidence of bullying being involved. And you say, okay, and then there's some kind of physical violence is being observed. So we go ahead and enter another behavior to then to create a string, and the parent says he's beginning to hate school, and now we can see the bullying and the physical makes roughly the same, stays pretty much the same, weapons depreciates, and there's more of these types of violence below the scale that you see here. We just wanted to show you the top ones. So here's the next query, is that he makes fun of other kids. You hit the query on that, and so now bullying becomes the dominant factor here. So do they enter another thing here or not? Is the search over? No, he's doing poorly in school. The grades are falling. So now what happens after you query? Then you see this is all beginning to suggest that bullying is involved. And so now what the parent would do is, or the teacher, they're in communication every time there's a search. They're connected, if they want to be, about these observations. And now what they can do is work together. We provide a intervention program list on our site here at the Lantern, so they click on bullying at this point, and then they would be led to some of the intervention programs that are most effective. So this is the beta version of Lantern, and we really need your help to get this thing to work really, really well, to make it a little bit easier and cleaner to understand. So thank you very much for your time, and hopefully you can donate and help children live without fear at school. Thanks so much. Take care.
Must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a good